Now, what about just using no words at all, just sitting in a feeling of abundance? In other words, what does it feel like? Does it feel to you that in this moment in time that you need to do something in order to justify your existence? No. We'll ask all of you. Do you need to do something to justify your existence? And if you don't do it, will you cease to exist in this moment? You have a lot of leeway, don't you? So you could just sit there and exist with no justification at all, couldn't you? You could just sit there and be. And as you sit there and be, as you sit there with no justification, just can you tap in just a little bit to the resources that are supporting you? Did any of you make a list of bodily functions that needed to be performed while you were sleeping last night? Did any of you assign to your cabin partner, make sure my heart pumps all night long? Or are there just natural resources that are already taking place? Isn't there just a huge amount of well-being going on? Were you with the captain of the ship guiding it through the fog in the night? Or did you trust with some reasonable trust that they know what they're doing as they're navigating this planet? You're out in the middle of nowhere. Did you know it? In other words, and were you fretting about it, or were you just that one? Or were you lying in your bed and just feeling the well-being of it? Were any of you concerned about the spinning of your planet in its orbit? Did any of you wake up and make a note? Need to find out who's on that. Need to find out who's on that and make sure they're really on that.